oscillations per second. Heart pumps the blood to the different body organs.
Both statements aren't true, it is always true.
So I request Deputy Secretary Academic Madhulata to say a few words about this today's program.
Yeah, thank you, Lakshmiya. Good morning, everybody. I welcome you all to this most prestigious and brainstorming and award-winning program of the society, the S.R. Shankaran Super Students Lecture Trophy. This is one of the most successful program, and this has reached the 3rd year in its implementation, and I appreciate and thank all the district coordinating officers, the principals, the students, and the other staff who have helped the students coming up to this stage. Their hard work and their efforts have given us the fruits which we have tasted in the last 2 years. The concept of earn value learn has also reached a good response from our students and also the other staff. And what I feel is the teaching is one of the toughest jobs. The teacher has to convince whatever she has learnt and imbibe the same knowledge to the students and see that the students understand in a perfect manner in which the teacher has learnt. So, this is the biggest problem these days, because nowadays the students they are not willing to listen to whatever the elders say, but here our students, the SWREIs, who are the most obedient and career oriented and having set the sky as a limit, are here with us and calling their peers by saying, come, let us go the other way, saying that which on you invest time grows, and where your time goes, there your future goes. So, the super students have arrived. You can see them here with us with a big bang to nourish and flourish and expose and express their skills in teaching, which is one of the biggest challenges in this present world. So, I wish them all the best on this auspicious occasion with a simple advice: he who dares to teach must never cease to learn. Thank you one and all.
Okay, good afternoon, friends. So, I welcome all the academicians, principals, teachers and the students of the SWREIs to this wonderful program, S.R. Shankaran's Super Student Lecture Trophy. It is a wonderful opportunity given by our Secretary Dr. R. S. Praveen Kumar to ignite the passion in the children, to bring out the innate ability in the students. So, this program was initiated during the year 2013 and 14. This is the 3rd successive year this competition has been conducted by the society. There is a lot of competition in the district. So, there was a schedule in the month of August. It was conducted at school level, district level, and finally the winners of 40 seniors and 40 juniors have been selected, and the list have been sent to the society. And because of the contribution made by the teachers, the best teachers, the interest taken by the principals, teachers and all the students, they are here. And I feel that personally this has ignited a lot of passion in the children to be the future teachers, and they are working as a teaching assistants also in our schools also. And the student empowerment programs like this E+ club activity and the Maths Plus, Science Plus and the Ignite programs and the youth parliament, Saturday activities, all these activities being conducted in the society, there is a lot of commotion, there is a lot of activity, enthusiasm in the children, and resultantly this program also one of the premier program organized by the society, one of the best programs we can say that the super student programs which has been launched during this academic year today. So this just every one of you know, but the students those who have joined recently, the other teachers also, I wanted to remind you once again. So this program finally 40 students are selected for senior competition and 40 students are selected for the juniors competition, super student competition. For each one of the participant, society is presenting with them with a 1500 rupees check for their participation in this program, 1500 along with one certificate of appreciation.
Seniors get 50.
Yeah, this is for seniors. This is for seniors, and this will be presented by the secretary of the society, Dr. R. Praveen Kumar. So they will be coming to the head office, Hyderabad, and they will come to society office, and the principal representative, they will be coming to head office, and it's a kind of honor being given to the students. They'll come, the check and presentation will be given to at head office, and all similarly the juniors will be given 1000 rupees as for their participation honorarium, and this also appreciation letter. The principal, others will participate, and finally 30,000 rupees is the prize money for the winner, and 20,000 is the for runners, like that. So there is it has encouraged a lot of enthusiasm and creativity, and we have seen and so many hours might have been spent in the institutions in preparation of the children, and it's a really very, and I request all the principals and the teachers also not to miss this program, all the super student program, all the 80 lectures, whenever it is telecasted, kindly display it in the classrooms, notice boards, and discuss it in the morning assembly also, and so that everybody will participate. They will take these students as role models, and the next years they will try to participate in these programs. So we request your cooperation in this regard. Thank you very much.
So I welcome Malati,
Yeah.
the senior student from Narsingi, who is here with us today. She will be giving you a lecture in the afternoon session from 2 to 3, and at present now we have Badrinath from Chilkur, as a 6th class student from Chilkur Residential School, Rangareddy district. So next we will continue with this program within a few minutes. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
The small shop owner has bought in the Santa or in any Raitu Bazaar.
एक ही जगह पे मिलके those type of plastics are known as thermosetting plastics.
Comparison, there are 3 types.
Up, down, right, left.
I am not inferior to anyone.
Dear Swaras, you are top on the Everest. Congratulations.
I want to be a leader.
Good afternoon, friends. I am G. Badrinarayanaswero from 7th standard of Telangana Social Welfare Residential Magnet School, Chilkur. Today, I would like to tell about our nature. All of us know that human beings are the most powerful and strong persons on this earth. Since ages, man has been trying to control over this nature. We are able to control all the overflows of the rivers and tanks by building dams. But we cannot control our nature. Yes, nature is our mother. Nature gives everything for us. But nature too becomes sometimes furious. Do you know how the nature becomes furious to us? The nature, how it will get angry. Now let us see that in the PowerPoint presentation. Second slide. Now, if you see in the picture, you are able to see that a big volcano has broken and the fire is coming out from that. You have seen how terrific destruction it is. Now you see the next picture. What you are able to see, what you are watching in this picture. Yes, you are right. You are watching that the road has broken into parts. Do you know what it is? Yes, Veros, you are right. It is an earthquake. Here, what are you seeing in this picture? You are right. This is the visual of an earthquake. Due to an earthquake, strong buildings have been collapsed. The great destruction is causing due to this earthquake. In this picture, you are seeing a big city has been collapsed and it is terrorized with the earthquakes. Now, if you see this visual, you are seeing that due to some floods, all the people are facing a lot of problems. So much water has came into their village. They are traveling from one place to another due to the floods. Now you observe this visual. You are seeing that an old lady is in one small tire and some other people are taking them. Due to the water, they are not able to walk in that region. They can only fly from they can only go from that place, but it is very tough for them. You have seen how much destruction it has caused. What are you able to see in this visual? Yes, you are right. You are seeing that all the people are taking their animals and their families and they are going to some other place due to the floods. Now, you observe this. If you see in this picture, you are seeing that what you are able to see? Due to strong storms, all the big trees and strong trees have been shattered due to the strong winds. Do you know what do we call that? Yes, you are right. These all are called as natural calamities. Do you know what is a natural calamity? A great destruction caused by the nature is called a natural calamity. Then in the before picture, you have seen that is a cyclone. What is a cyclone? Yes, you are right. The violent storms caused by the winds are called as the cyclones. What is meant by violent storms? Violent storms means strong winds with heavy rains is called violent storm. Do you want to see any activity how to find out the cyclones will occur? Yes, you are interested. I will show you. The items needed for this activity are one beaker, and you take two straws. This is the first straw, this is the second straw. Then you pour water into this beaker. Then you are having two straws. Then you keep one straw inside the water and you blow through this straw. Do you know what will happen? Let us see that. I am blowing through this. What happened? Yes, you are right. The water is coming out. Do you know why the water is coming out from this straw? Yes, you are right. Here what is happening means I have kept one straw in this water. At the time here there is no pressure. When I blow through this straw here the low air pressure will occur. Low air pressure will occur. When low air pressure occur here in this water, the high air pressure will be there. All of us know that if high air pressure and low air pressure are there, the water is upward from near the sea surface. The warm air rises causing an area of low air pressure area. Now you see in the projector, now you see that visual. Air from surrounding areas of high air pressure pushes the water into low pressure area. This new air becomes warm and rises too. As the warm air continues to rise, the surrounding air swells and then it will form cyclone. As the warmer moist air rises and cools off, the water in the air forms the clouds. The whole system of the clouds and wind spins and grows, fed by the cyclone heat and water evaporation from the surface. Now you observe here. For example, you see the blackboard, you think this is the sea surface, this is the sea. Here when the strong winds come, in this manner to this area, at that time here the low pressure will create. On the surface of the sea, the low pressure will create. At that time in the water, the high pressure will be there. This high pressure area will push this water upward. At that time, due to this air, this water will swells. It will swells. At that time, this cyclone will form. Have you understood? Now you see for the next visual. Do you know cyclones have also got some names? Do you want to know that? Yes, I will tell you. People call these cyclones by names depending on where they occur. For example, the violent storms that occur in the USA are called hurricanes. Then, and the violent storms and cyclones which occur in India are called as typhoons. Then, I will tell you some names of the cyclones which occurred recently. We know that the cyclone Hudud, which occurred in the year 2014, it occurred in the Bay of Bengal in the year 2014 and caused great destruction in the coastal Andhra and devastated the beautiful city Vizag. Let us know some of the other cyclones that caused great damage. Cyclone Philin, which occurred in the year 2013 and devastated Odisha and also Andhra Pradesh. And the next one, the cyclone Nilam, which occurred in the year 2012 and damaged South India. And the next one, the cyclone Tain, which occurred in the year 2011. It occurred in the North Indian Ocean and affected some coastal regions of Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. The first one is cyclone Hudud. Do you know this why they will keep names for the cyclones? Yes, you are right. They keep names for cyclones because to remember that cyclones and also to know how much great destruction it created and what we done for that. The cyclone is Hudud. It occurred in the year 2014. That is in the coastal region Vizag. The next cyclone is cyclone Philin, which occurred in the year 2012. That cyclone occurred in the coastal region of Tamil Nadu and also Andhra Pradesh. Then the next cyclone is the cyclone Nilam. You know that cyclone occurred in the year 2012. And it affected Andhra Pradesh. Then the next cyclone is cyclone Tain. It occurred in the year 2011 and it has destructed some coastal regions of Tamil Nadu. Here if you see, every place it is there Vizag, where the Vizag is in Andhra Pradesh. Next here also Andhra Pradesh, here also Andhra Pradesh. Why so many times Andhra Pradesh is coming? Have you an idea? Yes, you may have. I would also like to tell you. Because Andhra Pradesh is coastal region. Because it is a coastal region. Do you want to know about one other cyclone? So many cyclones are there. For example, cyclone Laila. Do you know in which year that has been that about the cyclone? In this manner, the cyclone will form. Do you know what are the factors contributing to the cyclones? Yes, the factors contributing to cyclones are wind speed, wind direction, temperature and humidity. Factors contributing to cyclones are first one. What is the first one?